In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step beginner's guide on how you can start trading cryptocurrency on Bybit. Before we go into practical aspect of this video, I have done a particular video that I talked about different ways you can make money with cryptocurrency, which a lot of you asked for a beginner's guide like this. So this is the beginner's guide where I'm going to show you how to walk around, how to sign up, how to deposit cryptocurrency, even if you are in Nigeria or any other country that cryptocurrency is not allowed. And all what I'll be teaching you in this channel about cryptocurrency is going to be directly with my mobile phone, even though I have a MacBook. But I know that there are a lot of people that cannot really still afford laptop. That's why I still use my phone to practically show you how to do that. Okay, so if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. And yes, I have a Telegram group, a Telegram channel that I'm going to be strictly teaching you about Bybit. If you want to learn how to trade, how to open a position. There are a lot of people that are really making money on daily basis. Either cryptocurrency is going down or going up, whatsoever it is. We analyze, we predict, and honestly, I have moved my account from this to this right now. So please, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. You are welcome to the practical aspect of this video, where we are going to learn all the beginner's guide from how to deposit, to transfer, to withdraw, to buy, and to verify our account, and so much more. So the first thing you are going to do, if you are new, just come to the description of this my video. If you click on this more, you are going to see sign up here. So you click on this partnership, you click on it and go to your, it will take you to your browser where you are going to sign up. Okay, and all you need to do is to input your email address and set up a password, and then you get my welcome gift. You are going to get a gift if you use my link, my partnership link, and I'll show you how to get your bonuses in the course of this video. So once that is done, you are going to get your Bybit account like this one. But the first thing I always encourage everyone the moment you sign up is to verify and secure your account. Is very important. So if you sign up, this is my mobile phone right here. So you can actually use both desktop and mobile, but I want to teach you how to use it with your mobile phone. Maybe with time, if there are more people that want to learn to use the desktop side, I will also create a video on that. So you need to first of all verify your account and secure it. All you need to do is click right here. When you tap on it, you will see identity verification. So when you click on it, you need to verify. Like me, I use my BVN, and then I did selfie. If you don't want to use your BVN, you can use your passport and all that, so, or driver license, and then do your selfie. So I use BVN for my own, and you can actually verify. There is level 2 where you can also upload your documents. Like me, I use my bank statements so that I can be able to move a huge amount of money. But even as a level 1 with only your BVN and selfie, you can move up to $10,000. So that is that about securing your account. And again, I'll click right here. You need to also, you click on the security and add Google authentication. Is very important so that people cannot easily hack your account. So once that is done, here is the interface. I want to show you how to make use of it. This is the home. If you click on the home and just scroll, you are going to see so many things that you can do with the app. Then this is the market. If you click in here, you will see the derivative, the spot, the data, the leadership, and all that. If you are new, you don't need to bother yourself much with all this. So I'll click back to home. This is the trade. Okay, if I click here, it will show you. I have closed all my trade right now. I had a news that a particular coin is coming in, so I move all my money to my MetaMask so that I can grab it once that coin is a meme coin though. So I don't like talking about meme coin that much, so that's why I don't mention it. But if you are part of my Telegram group, you will see that I drop a notification on that. So the next thing here is asset, where to be showing you how much you have. So right here, I've moved out my money. So I'll just come back to home. So once you have signed up, there are some bonuses you will get, but you will not be able to make use of all these bonuses. As you can see, there are some news and the bonus that I'm getting. So you cannot make use of these bonuses if you have not deposited at least $50. Okay, so here are the information right here. So the next thing you need to do, if you have signed up, verify your account. The next thing you need to do is to deposit or buy cryptocurrency. So you can either deposit from one account to another, or you can buy. So I will show you both the two ways right now. So let's assume I want to deposit a currency. So I'll click on deposit. Okay, so whatever I want to deposit, let me say I want to deposit USDT. So I will click on this USDT, or if I do not see USDT, I can just click here to search for USDT. So if I click on USDT, this is very important. Here you select network. So this one now is showing TRC20. You can click here to choose a different network if you so wish to. So I will leave it on this TRC20. Then I'll click here to copy. So by so doing, I've copied the address. Then I can now go to my MetaMask or my Trust wallet and move out USDT. Okay, I don't have USDT here, sorry. So I will move to my Binance. I think I have money in Binance. I'll click on my Binance, and then yes, I have USDT on my Binance. So here, this USDT, if I click on it, I can click withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, I will now I will just press to paste that wallet address, and this place says select network. So I will click and make sure I scroll to see TRC20, because if you move it with a wrong address, it will go elsewhere and nobody can trace it, please. So ensure you make sure you check the network. Okay, and how much do I want? I can put 50, or I can put maximum, which is 100. Okay, so the next thing, if I click withdraw now, it will just appear, but I don't want to move it to Binance. I don't want to move this money to Bybit for now. Okay, so that is how to deposit. So now that we have learned how to deposit, and once you deposit, just wait like a minute, you will see it. You will even receive email, and you will receive notification right here. You will see that you have deposited so amount of money. Okay, so this is how to deposit. So for those that don't have an account somewhere and then you want to buy, okay, so that's how to buy. But in case if someone call you that, okay, send me your USDT wallet address so that I will deposit some crypto to you, it's the same thing. So all you need to do, click on deposit, click USDT, or if the person say Ethereum or crypto, whatsoever wallet, just search it here, click on it, and then copy. Make sure you copy the same address, or you can even screenshot and let the person know that it's TRC20, okay, which is very important. So the next thing is, if for those that are completely new, you just want to buy, you can click buy crypto right here. If you click buy crypto, you see right here, yours might not be showing USDT, so you can click here to check what you want to buy. Okay, but like me, if I'm trading, I use USDT. So I always, if I'm buying anything, any coin that I want to buy, I always buy USDT first, then I can now convert it, which I will show you how to do it in the course of this video. So it will now ask you can see here it's showing NGN, which is Nigeria. So it depends on your currency, your country. You can click here to select your currency. So let's assume I want to buy 100,000 naira worth of USDT. So I will now click on next. So once I click on next, as a Nigerian, the only option we have currently, because cryptocurrency has been banned, is through bank transfer, peer to peer. But if you are in another country, you can see you will be able to buy with your credit card and all that. So I will just click on buy with Nigerian naira. So it will show me that, okay, for me to get right now, currently, as at when I'm doing this video, $1 is up to 936 naira. Okay, so I will just click confirm here. So once I click on confirm, it will ask me to contact the seller. I can contact the seller, but it's asking me. So the next thing I will do is to transfer money to this particular account details. Okay, I'm going to transfer money to this particular account details, but this is just for for practical, I'm not buying, so I will just cancel this order. But in your own case, please ensure you make a transfer to the account details that is displayed to you, and then you now click on pay. You now click on yes, I've made transfer. So if you click on this pay now, sorry, before the account will be displayed to you, so log into your bank and transfer. That's what they will tell you. Transfer money, here's the account number, palm pay, and all that. So you click on next step, so which is saying payment completed. So but me, I've not make a payment, so I will just cancel this order. Okay, I'll cancel this order. So that is how to buy. So the moment you buy, you will see your currency. If you click on this asset, once you buy, you click on I've made payment, and if the person have received the money, the person will also release the coins to you. So when you now click on this asset, you will be able to see the USDT. So it's that USDT now that you will be using for trading, for exchange, and all that. And you should also know that there are different accounts. So you can, if you have currency there on your spot account, and if you want to trade, you will move it to your derivative and all that. So now that we have known how to deposit and how to buy on this Bybit, you can also do copy trading. I have a complete video on copy trading. If you cannot access it, just comment how to copy trade. Copy trading is simply you copying a master trader that you can be able to copy whatsoever he or she is doing, and I've done a detailed video on that. I used to make a lot of money with that even while I sleep. Okay, so another thing is there is bot trading. I'm also making a video on that. Please don't make mistake of starting this bot trading without learning it, because I lost $100 in split seconds when I did not know how it works. So please, if you are interested in bot trading, comment bot trading with Bybit in the comment section, so that I'll create that video. And if I've already created, if you comment, I will just give you the link to that video so that you can watch. Meanwhile, I have a Telegram channel where I'm going to be teaching people how to trade, how to buy low, how to sell you, where I'll be giving free signal for those that use my partnership link, please. So I'm going to drop in the description of this video the link to that Telegram. Okay, and another thing again, you can also, this is new, you can also get a card and all that, but I myself have not gotten a card for myself. So here you see this bell sign here. If you click, that's where should be showing you all the notification of whatsoever you are doing, or if there's any news. Meanwhile, there is reward hoop right here where you'll be getting reward, just as I said, as you sign up. Like me now on this my account, I've claimed about 6 reward. Okay, so if you come here, you will see if you have a reward, you click. If you have a tax, you click on view tax. There are some things you can do to get some reward. There are people that are getting up to $500, $1,000, $1,500 based on the activity that they are doing on Bybit. So you can actually get reward for that. Okay, and then another thing again, you can also refer people. You can refer people to the app so that you can get commission for that. Okay, you can also become an affiliate. As me now, as I'm not only referring people, I'm a partner with Bybit. So you can also register in case you are in my Telegram group and you are already an active trader and you want to become a partner with Bybit. Just let me know, DM me on Telegram. Please, there might be a lot of people scammers in the comment section. Beware of that. Everything I do, I'll give you a link that will take you to my Telegram and is in the description. Okay, don't mind them on the comment section. All right, and then the next thing I also want to share with you is, if you use my partnership program link, you can get up to $1,050 bonus. Okay, if you use my link. So the next thing I will also show you is this. All right, another thing again, if you have any question, okay, and you need help on this Bybit, you can just reach out to the customer care and they respond very, very fast. If you just click here, you have even some already frequently asked question that you can just click and you see the answers, or you can live chat a customer support. Honestly, they are so fast. You can just click on this live chat and they will give you answers to your problems. I don't want to show you how to trade in this video actually. So in my next video, I'll show you how to trade, how to buy low and sell highs, how to analyze the market, how we make money on Bybit. By then I must have buy that coin and move out my money, so that I will show you how to trade with huge money. I don't want to do it with this little. So please, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. I hope this video is helpful for you enough. Please, if you have not liked this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So hope to see you in my next video. Bye.